Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about sheet masks and their benefits. So before moving on with today's video, please guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you always stay notified whenever I upload a video. Let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let me tell you what are sheet masks. Sheet masks are face-shaped fabric that are soaked in nutrition-packed serum and they are packed individually for single use. Sheet masks actually originated from South Korea, and we all know that South Korea is the hub of cosmetics and skincare products. So now let's talk about how a sheet mask works. Basically, there is a sheet which is soaked with concentrated serum which contains many beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid, vitamins and minerals which will never dry out our skin. When you apply the sheet on your face, it helps the serum to soak into your skin a little longer. So obviously the effect will be much better even in one-time use. There are many varieties of sheet masks, each made to target different kinds of skin problems. There are sheet masks consisting of vitamin C, then hyaluronic acid, then seaweed, pearl extract, etc. One negative thing which I feel about this mask are most of them contains paraben to avoid bacterial and fungal contamination. But seeing the benefits of the mask, I think that point can be eliminated. So let's see what mask I have got today. And one thing, you get this sheet masks online on Amazon or NIKKIE and they are like really inexpensive, so you can really give it a try.
So I got 4 sheet masks today and I got all of them from NIKKIE. First one that I have today is from DearPacker Lab Collection and it is an anti-dry and hydrating sheet mask. This sheet mask has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera extract that provide superb moisture to skin, making skin soft, supple and smooth. Next one is also from DearPacker Lab Collection and it is an anti-aging and firming sheet mask. This collagen mask plumps and firms the skin that's gradually losing its elasticity, fighting signs of aging and improving overall skin health. The next one is a Inatur charcoal facial sheet mask. It is a deeply purifying facial sheet mask loaded with the goodness of charcoal powder, anise oil and basil oil. It effectively works towards oil, acne control and sebum control, giving you a clearer complexion. The last one that I have today is a bamboo sheet mask from Its Skin. Bamboo is rich in amino acid that sucks out toxins and moisturizes your skin while deeply nourishing it. Bamboo also quenches the thirst of your skin and keeps it moisturized. Let's see how to apply the sheet mask. The first step is to cleanse your face. Make sure to double cleanse it if you are wearing makeup, or even better if you scrub it. Next, apply your favorite toner. The third step is optional, but I suggest you to do it. To get the most out of your sheet mask, apply your Aloevera Gel. Today I am using the DearPacker Anti-Dry and Hydrating Sheet Mask. You can remove the excess serum from the mask and apply a thin layer on your face and then put on the sheet mask. Apply the sheet mask like so. Then just apply the rest of the serum on your hands, neck, blah blah. The next and the most important step is to set an alarm. All sheet masks have different stay timing, so make sure you check yours. You need to keep the mask only till the time prescribed. Now take the mask off from bottom to top and dab in all the leftover serum into your face. You don't need to rinse it, just push everything into your skin. If you're having dry skin, you can apply a thin layer of aloe gel or moisturizer. But since I have oily skin, I leave it just like this and I'm good to go.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, do put a thumbs up and comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't still. And I will see you with lots and lots more interesting stuff in my next video. Till then, bye bye.